This is Greg Troutwine with Marine Technology TV, and we're here in Southampton at a very busy Ocean Business 2025, and we're here with Corentin-Troussard of RTSYS to discuss this innovative company and its technology. So to start off, Corentin, I'm sure that most watching this know the RTSYS name. Why don't you just give us a brief overcap of who you are?
Yeah, so RTSYS is a French company. We are celebrating our 15 years now. We are experts in underwater acoustics and AUVs, underwater vehicles. And we are addressing markets both in defense and science industry.
That's excellent. So we're obviously standing here in front of the Comet-300, a couple of different AUVs. Why don't you tell us a little bit about the Comet-300 and its capabilities?
Yeah, so the Comet-300 is our most popular AUV. It's a 2-meter long system with around 40 kilograms, so easily carryable by 2 people. It can integrate a lot of different sensors from top brands such as side scan sonars, multi-parameter probes, towed magnetometers, video cameras, also different kind of sensors for altimeter, etc. So various range of underwater acoustic measurements.
That's awesome. You know, obviously we're here at Ocean Business. There's a lot of different vehicles around here. When you look at this unit and its capabilities, what truly makes it stand out?
We believe that our systems are out of the range because of their small and light character. So you basically don't need a big boat. You don't need a crane to use our systems. You can do everything from a small boat such as a rib or even from the shore, which makes it a very low-cost system in terms of the whole mission. And it has a very high autonomy for the size of the AUV compared to our competitors.
Sending a vehicle underwater is one thing. Being able to communicate is quite another thing. And I understand you have some innovative, unique acoustic technology. Is that correct?
Yes, indeed. RTSYS developed its own underwater communication protocol based on a long baseline, which firstly allows us to track the AUV underwater up to 2-kilometer distance, which I think is quite reassuring for the users to know where is the system underwater at any time during the mission, with a lot of status info and basic orders you can send. And we have also a second level of usage, which is by using some repositioning buoy that will act as a relay, so you can extend the range of communication, and you can also use it as a repositioning system using triangulation to significantly enhance the navigation accuracy. And yeah, I think this is one of the advantages that RTSYS has.
Okay, that's awesome. I'm sure there's probably a lot of power in this package. When you look out in the markets that you serve, is there one or two or three or however many you want? Which markets stand out as far as where this is truly an efficient use?
I would say our biggest market for this kind of vehicle is mine clearance. So typically EOD divers would use the AUV to have a mapping of the area before sending the actual divers to place the object on the seabed and safely go on site after. We also have a lot of interest from the scientist community with 2 main applications. One can be seabed mapping, having a cartography of what is under the water, and also some very interested to use multi-parameter probes to have a kind of a 3D profiles of a large area, which is obviously a lot faster with this kind of vehicle than standard means, where you have to go to one point to another, etc., to deploy your systems.
That's excellent. I just had one more question. You know, again, I love coming to this thing every 2 years because you see how technology evolves. Obviously, RTSYS is at the forefront of that with technical evolution. Can you tell me what are some of the technology drivers? What are your customers asking you to do, or what do they want to do with this vehicle that's really driving how you develop this or continue to develop it?
Yeah, well, our customer would like obviously reliable data, so we are also working closely with our own suppliers for more and more accurate and small sensors. They also want more and more autonomy, so they want devices that they can launch in the morning, pick up in the evening, and be confident in the data being correct, and also in the navigation being very accurate for what they plan. And what I really realize in the market is that nowadays people are coming with real application and real needs with AUVs. As previously it was more seen as a gadget, they didn't know really what to do with it. Now we have a proper market with it.